Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in for another video. You guys know I just upgraded my front wheels. Now we have the full set of 1320 wheels, and I have 275 4020s up front, and they are all season, so I did not go with the drag radials. But the good thing is that my car now handles a whole lot better than it did before. Now I could take a turn a little bit harder and I actually have more confidence in my car turning. That's the upside. The downside is I actually added 3 pounds to each side of my car, because before the wheels that I had on there were like 3 pounds lighter. So this new setup I have made my front end a little bit heavier. I've really been waiting for the direct connection and 392 stage kits, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. As you guys know, you guys are on the same boat as I am, really haven't been available yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to make my car lighter. First of all, we're gonna start with lightweight calipers, and I'm gonna go with SRT Demon front calipers and the 2-piece rotors if available. I did already order my calipers, and I can tell you guys they're amazing. I'll show you those right now. I've been eyeballing these for a while, and I was considering buying them brand new because they are discounted, but I didn't really want to go with the red calipers, even though they look nice. These black ones, I think they fit pretty well with the theme that my car has. Pretty much everything's blacked out on it. I actually got these at a steal, guys. You will not believe it. These are pretty much brand new. They came off of a brand new Challenger. The guy that bought these, he said that he was looking for a specific car, and then he found one besides the color of the caliper. So he had the Dodge dealership actually order new ones, and they took these off, and they are in great condition. They're a little dusty because I have them outside, but they are brand new, guys. Brand new. From what the guy says, they only pretty much have 8 miles on them. Any angle that I move these in, you're gonna see they look brand new. Even the stickers, there's no brake dust anywhere. There's a little bit of oil now on my toolbox, but it's no big deal. Let me move over here. Move over here. And you guys haven't seen those part numbers though. One's a little upside down, but I will show you these part numbers so you guys want to check these out, so you can guys locate them if you guys like them. But that one that's a part number right there. That's this one. This is for the right hand side, which would be passenger side, and right over here we're gonna go and grab the driver side, and that's the part number right there. So you guys gonna be able to see that. Now let me stack it up like this. That's the part number for that, and this one's actually upside down. Alright, so I really do think this is a sweet setup, and I really can't wait to put this on my car. But let me go ahead and just put everything back so nothing starts clanking with each other and I don't actually start chipping my new parts. From what I understand, and correct me guys if I'm wrong, that these 4-piston calipers, the Brembos, all of these pieces should be interchangeable with those brake pads, with those calipers I have over there. So on that note, guys, until I have enough funds to buy these expensive ass 2-piece calipers, 2-piece rotors and brake pads, I think I'm just gonna put the calipers on my car right now, and I'm gonna try to actually bleed them. I'm gonna need another person to bleed these brakes. So I have both of these calipers right next to each other, and right off the bat you guys can see that this 1-piece aluminum caliper is considerably larger than this one. And I went ahead and got my dial caliper, and we're gonna measure the distance on these pins, make sure everything's a bolt-on. I'm pretty sure it is, but I just want to double check. Pretty close to 4 inches. Let's check right here. Yep, that looks pretty good. There should be no reason why those brake pads don't fit here. And the width, let's see. It's gonna be a little trickier to get this one. Okay. $338, and this one is okay. This size is a little bit smaller on the width. I don't think it's gonna affect it much, but because I'm pretty sure they are the exact same part number. Because even when you order these parts online, it's either the 6-piston Brembos or 4-piston Brembos, and they give you the exact same part number. So going off of that, I'm pretty sure everything's gonna be a direct interchanging parts, so I don't think I have any issues. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually remove these, and then I'll show you exactly how it looks from the inside compared to this one. All right, so my camera died. I had to switch out my GoPro real quick. So this is the caliper. Has some weight to it now, but this is the point where I really want to find out how much it weighs, and I'm sure you guys want to know too. So we have a scale over here. All right, so this one weighs 12.2 pounds. Let's go ahead and reset this. Okay. Now let's put this one. Okay. I was not expecting that. It's so light that it doesn't even register on here. So it's lighter. I just don't know how much. Okay guys, this doesn't really help out much, but this scale can't read this weight. All right guys, so this is what we're gonna do. Since it's too light, I'm actually going to hold the steel 4-piston caliper right now, and then I'm gonna get on the scale and we're gonna split the difference. So with this, how much am I? 261.1. Damn. All right, now I'm gonna go grab the aluminum caliper and we'll step on the scale. $258.9. All right, so that is only 2 pounds lighter. Initially, when I actually bought this caliper, I thought it was going to be considerably less weight than this one, but to my surprise, it's only a little over 2 pounds lighter than this one. Well, I'll take anything I can, because every little pound adds weight. So 2 pounds and 2 pounds, 2.2 pounds. We'll be looking at a total of like 5 pounds lighter on the front end because of these calipers. Now, when I do eventually switch to a 2-piece rotor, we'll find out the total weight savings, because there are a variety of rotors out there. The one that I'm interested in right now is the OEM Demon. I don't know how much those weigh right now, or don't weigh, but the only way to find out is to actually buy one and compare it to the stock one in my car. The 2-piece rotors from Racing Brakes are $1,200. That's 2 rotors and the brake pads. Compared to the $800 per rotor. That's just the rotor, it's not even brake pads for the OEM. So if this was your money, what would you guys do? That's gonna look good. So you put one bolt on. See if we can align it. Sorry if I'm blocking your guys' view. Actually, that went right in perfectly. So that's one bolt. Yeah, that's one. And here's the other bolt. Let's put that on the bottom. Man, right away guys, I can tell the difference. Man, that looks really good. Let me back this camera up real quick so you guys can see what I'm looking at. Man, that looks really nice. Look at that. Now imagine with the 2-piece rotors on there. Ooh, it's gonna look good. Anyways, go ahead and continue with this install. All right guys, so the calipers are on, everything's looking really nice. Everything came out really good, as you guys can see, nice and clean. Unfortunately, you know, I didn't go with the 2-piece rotors right off the bat, so I'm gonna have to wait on those because they're a little bit pricey. Each one's like $800 and change, so it's gonna add up real quick, and that's even without the brake pads. So if I go with the aftermarket, it's gonna look a lot better in my wallet. But those are on. Now the back ones are on. Everything come out nice and clean too, as you guys can see. And we're just gonna go ahead and put the tires on and finally see how the car feels. I know 2 pounds is gonna make a difference on the overall driving experience. Not like 5 pounds, more like 5 pounds. But besides that, it looks really good. Pretty much it's an identical look on the back. It's just a brand new caliper now, so that's an improvement. But the front, I don't know, I just love the way it looks, guys. I really love these calipers. They're considerably larger than the ones I had on there, and they're lighter. Can you believe that? Almost 2.5 pounds lighter each. So like I said, once I get the calipers, I mean the front rotors, the 2-piece rotors, depending on which ones I go with, it's either going to be 8 pounds, about 8 pounds to 3 pounds lighter, even more. So that should make up the difference of my wheels. Because believe it or not, guys, these wheels right here, the ones I put up in the front, these bad boys right here, they actually added 7 pounds to the front of my car, each side. So I made my car 14 pounds heavier in the front with these compared to the other ones I had. So besides that, now with the 2.5 pounds on each wheel, that only adds to about 4.5 pounds. So Now I'm only 4.5 pounds heavier, so that's an improvement. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put these on so I can actually drive this car around and see if I can feel a difference with the performance on these pads. All right, so the car's back together, it's fully washed up, everything's tightened up, and it looks good. Now it's time for you guys to check it out, and I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna like how it looks. So this is the new setup we're gonna be having. The new 4-piston calipers look amazing. I know the wheel's covering a little bit, but believe me guys, it looks good. From the side profile, man, that looks really nice. So I'm really anxious to actually get the 2-piece rotors. I'm not 100% sure which I'm gonna go with, the OEM Demon or the brake, racing brake setup, but either way, that's the next thing we're gonna be doing to this car. But overall, there it is guys, car is looking amazing, super clean. And now we got a square setup everywhere, all the wheels match. Drag rails are showing some wear already. They're not gripping the way they used to, but they're still putting the work down. Anyways guys, that's it. So hope you guys like this video. I know it took probably a while to get this done because I was shopping around and I wasn't sure if I wanted to get these calipers, but I say guys, I made a good deal. I mean, I made a good buy with this caliper set, and that's it. Everything's on, looking good. Well guys, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and make a comment, and I'd just like to say thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys till next time.